Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. C4H8O has degree of unsaturation is equal to 2 times 4 plus 2 to 8, 2 is equal to 1. So 1 degree of unsaturation, which could be AC is equal to C double bond, C is equal to O double bond, or a ring. Moving on to the next step. Bromine decolorizes, indicates AC is equal to C double bond, alkene present. Now metal gives bubbles, indicates an OH group, alcohol, present, releasing H2 gas. Chromic acid turns orange to green, indicates oxidation of an alcohol, specifically a primary or secondary alcohol, not tertiary. Lucas reagent, no reaction, or very slow, indicates a primary alcohol. Primary alcohols do not react with Lucas reagent at room temperature. Conclusion for X. Compound X is a primary allylic alcohol with formula C4H8O containing both AC is equal to C and an OH group. With 1 degree of unsaturation accounted for by the double bond and an OH group, X is but 3N1-ol, 3-buten-1-ol, CH2 is equal to CH, CH2, CH2O, or but 3N2-ol. Actually with C4H8O, 1 degree of unsaturation, if there's AC is equal to C and an O, that accounts for 1 degree of unsaturation. X is most likely 3-buten-1-ol, CH2 is equal to CH, CH to CH2O, a primary allylic alcohol. The chromic acid oxidation confirms primary secondary alcohol, and no Lucas reaction confirms primary alcohol. Moving on to the next step. No reaction with bromine, no C is equal to C double bond, not easily oxidized. No reaction with Na metal, no OH group. No reaction with chromic acid, no oxidizable alcohol. No reaction with Lucas reagent, no alcohol. Yet Y has molecular formula C4H8O with 1 degree of unsaturation. Since there is no C is equal to C, bromine test negative, and no OH, Na metal negative, the degree of unsaturation must be a ring or AC is equal to O, but ketones aldehydes would react with chromic acid or other tests. A cyclic ether, epoxide or oxetane or tetrahydrofuran derivative would show no reaction with all 4 reagents. Specifically, tetrahydrofuran, THF, is C4H8O, a cyclic ether, and would not react with any of these 4 reagents. And for the final step, the answer B corresponds to the identification where compound X is 3-buten-1-ol, a primary allylic alcohol, C4H8O with C is equal to C and primary O, and compound Y is tetrahydrofuran, a cyclic ether, C4H8O with an oxygen in a ring and no reactive functional groups, which matches all the given test results. Other options would assign incorrect structures that don't match the complete set of test results. Example, a tertiary alcohol would react with Lucas reagent, a ketone would react with chromic acid, an aldehyde would react with chromic acid and Na metal tests differently. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.